My mom had this Alfa Romeo for a year, exactly a year actually. There's no room in here, but let's see if we could do it. God dang it. I think it's key fob battery low. I don't know if you missed that, but we gotta change the key fob.
Daddy?
So my son's gonna help me. Hi, Giulia. Alright, so I got my trusty son, Jesse, my oldest tech. He's gonna be showing how to install the battery. So what's the part battery we gotta get?
We got the part battery is it's 2032.
Yeah, CR2032.
Yeah.
I'll put a link in the description through Amazon if you want to get it. It's actually the cheapest place to get this battery. So Jesse's gonna show you how to do it real quick.
Pinch these two. These are little things that I can pinch. So pinch it. It takes a second.
Squeeze it and push it down.
There we go. Yes.
Yeah.
So I have to remove the key and try to open this up.
What do you do with that? Twist it?
Now I have to use a key and just push it and a twist.
Oh, you can use the key as leverage.
Yeah, leverage. There, it pulls out. Try to take it out.
You gotta pry it out.
I'm gonna pry it out with something. Okay, this is the old battery. It says CR2032 there, and then this is the new battery. So the new battery.
Positive's on top, right?
The positive plus right here.
Yeah, usually you put a plus sign right on top.
So I'm gonna slide it and snap this in. There we go. This is how it's in. So now, take the cover, slide it, and try twisting it back.
Twist the lock.
Maybe a leverage might help. Usually a leverage like that maybe helps to do that. So there we go, leverage help. Now you insert the key like this one back.
Emergency key.
Emergency key, and after that you have to slide this cover. And you find where the things that you need to align. Okay. Slide it. There it goes in. Now I can get this back in.
Alright. There's the fob key. Pushing it. No indicator that the fob is low battery. Do need an oil change though, which we're gonna do next. Thanks for watching.
And subscribe to our channel. Make sure to tap the bell and make sure to tap all notifications and make sure to like the videos and peace out.
Peace out.